Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Hi my viewers and my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for tuning in week after week. So today I'll be showing you how to make black-eyed peas fritters. So stay tuned for this video. My neighbor who is African, she made these fritters and I'm going to replicate them, and because I love beans so much, I want to eat it in another way. So this is just another way to eat your beans. In my bowl I have 1 cup of black-eyed peas that I washed. You could probably soak them overnight if you want to, but I didn't. I have half cup of water and I have half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. To get it started, I'm going to add the beans to the blending cup because I'm going to blend everything together. So I add the water. I don't want to add too much water, so if it needs more, I'll add it. And I cover this, so I will blend this until everything is smooth. I have a smooth mixture. And it needs some more water, so I'll just add water to it. So I'm going to add half cup more water and I will blend again. So now the mixture is blended, I'll just add it to my bowl. Now that the mixture is in here, I'll just add my salt and my baking powder. And for this recipe, I will not add any flour at all. So this is a flourless fritters. Just combine everything together and we'll deep fry them until they are crunchy and nice. This is just a simple recipe. I haven't added any vegetables to it because I'm keeping it simple. So I'll probably do another video where I add additional vegetables so it's more colorful for the children. I added some oil to my pot. I added a good amount so that it can probably cover the fritters. So I'm gonna add like I want them to be small. I don't want them too big. So I add like a spoonful to the oil. You want the stove to be on low heat so that they don't burn and they soak and cook properly. I will fry these until they're golden brown, and I'll take them out, put them on a paper towel so that they soak some of the oil. I'm going to turn the fritters now. These are now golden brown, so I will take them out and put it on my paper towel like this so that it will absorb all the oil or most of the oil. And then I will just repeat the process by adding more of the mixture to the oil until all is finished. So this is my final black-eyed pea fritters. You may want to call them nuggets because they're so small. Normally I would make fritters a bigger and flatter, but whatever you choose to call it, this is it, and it's so tasty. I really enjoyed it and I implore you to try it also. So stay tuned to my channel for more and more plant-based recipes. Thank you. I appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more videos. So do have a safe day and a blessed week. Always remember, your health is your wealth.